Are you in the market for a new desktop computer? Ever wondered how relevant the iMac is in 2023? As we navigate the evolving tech landscape, the iMac remains a formidable contender. The iMac of 2023, powered by the M3 chip, is an updated version of the 2021 model. On the surface, it mirrors its predecessor, boasting the same 24-inch screen and multicolor options. But it's what's on the inside that counts. Today, we dive into the world of the iMac M3 2023. Let's get started. First off, the design. Is it any different from its predecessor? Well, at first glance, the iMac M3 of 2023 bears a striking resemblance to the 2021 model. It sports the same sleek 24-inch screen, that's a joy to look at, and comes in a vibrant palette of colors to match your personal style or workspace aesthetics. The design philosophy adopted by Apple for the iMac has always been about merging form with function, and the 2023 iMac is no exception. It maintains the signature simplicity and elegance that Apple is renowned for, while also incorporating advanced technology. The result is a desktop that's not just a tool, but a centerpiece of your workspace. The iMac M3 of 2023, much like its predecessor, is a testament to Apple's commitment to design excellence. So, if you love the design of the 2021 model, you'll feel right at home with the 2023 iMac. Now, let's talk about the heart of the machine, its performance and specifications. The iMac M3 2023 is powered by the M3 chip, the second generation of Apple's M series chips. This is where the magic happens. This chip is a significant upgrade from the M1 chip used in the 2021 model, providing a substantial performance boost that makes the iMac M3 one of the most powerful desktop computers available today. Whether you're multitasking with demanding applications, editing high-resolution videos, or enjoying some light gaming, the M3 chip delivers smooth, responsive, and lightning-fast performance. But it's not just about raw power. The M3 chip also enhances the efficiency of the iMac, helping it to run cooler and quieter while delivering the high-level performance that Apple users have come to expect. This makes the iMac M3 2023 not just powerful, but also a pleasure to use, even when you're pushing it to its limits. However, it's important to note that not all models are created equal. Some reviewers have criticized the specifications of the lower-end models. These versions come with smaller amounts of RAM and storage, which could limit their performance and usefulness, especially for more demanding tasks. If you're considering one of these models, you may want to think about whether the lower price is worth the potential performance trade-off. Another point of contention is the lack of Face ID. Despite being a standard feature on many other Apple devices, Face ID is conspicuously absent from the iMac M3 2023. This means that you'll have to rely on the old-fashioned password to log in, which can feel a bit dated in our biometric-filled world. In sum, the iMac M3 2023 is a performance beast, thanks to its M3 chip. But like any product, it's not perfect. The lower-end models could use a spec boost, and the absence of Face ID is a puzzle. While it's a powerhouse, it seems the iMac M3 2023 isn't without its fair share of criticisms. So, how does it stack up against its predecessor, the 2021 iMac? At first glance, the 2023 iMac M3 mirrors its predecessor, sporting the same 24-inch screen and multicolor options. It's almost like looking into a colorful mirror. But the real game changer is hidden under the hood. The M3 chip. It's the second generation of Apple's M series chips, and it's more powerful than the M1 chip in the 2021 model. This M3 chip provides a substantial performance boost, transforming the iMac M3 into one of the most powerful desktop computers available. It's an extremely well-designed machine with a lovely screen. However, not everything is rosy. Some reviewers have criticized the specs of the lower-end models, and guess what? The iMac M3 still doesn't have Face ID. Nonetheless, the iMac M3 is a great computer for basic home, office, and school tasks, as well as content creation. If you're a proud owner of the 2021 iMac, you might want to consider this before upgrading to the iMac M3. The design is almost identical. In conclusion, the iMac M3 2023 packs a punch with its M3 chip, But the question remains, is it worth the upgrade from the 2021 model? Alright, that wraps up our deep dive into the iMac M3 2023. It's a powerful, sleek machine that takes the iMac line one step further. But whether it's a worthy upgrade from the 2021 model, that's a decision you'll have to make based on your personal needs and preferences. Got any thoughts or questions? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech reviews and comparisons. Your support helps us keep producing content like this, and we truly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and as always, we'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned.